So the same principle works for the speed lathe machine too, but I won't go to that. Let me this is the drilling machine and also the milling machine. So I would like to work on the milling machine. So to work on the milling machine, I will need the workpiece and the cutting tool. So firstly, I will take the milling workpiece in which it is under here. So by dragging it, so there's a bit box in my project. So I will need the mill cutter too. So by taking the mill cutter, so I'll go to the milling machine to drop both the mill cutter and also so I can drop my workpiece. I can drop the workpiece here. Then I can drop the mill cutter here. So I can put on the machine. Then increase the speed to cut. By then I can now move around. Okay, so I can drag down the mill cutter to cut inside the workpiece. I can see the realistic cutting on the workpiece now. So I can drop it on the finished workpiece. So and also I work on the drilling machine too. So I can take one of the drill workpiece. Then I will need a drill bit. So let me think. I can take one of the drill bits. Then I can place it here. I can place the workpiece. Then I can place the drill bit. So I can turn on the machine. So I can drag it down. So I'm creating an holo inside the workpiece now. So I can let me put up the machine here. So I can take off the workpiece. Can you see that it's holo? I can drop it here.